What's good, PB Squad? It's your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another how-to video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It is on the wig that I have in previous videos, the crochet wig. I am doing this as a Mother's Day gift. It's quick, easy, and affordable. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so after getting this cap situated, you're going to use some pins to hold down that wig cap. You need it to be stretched at the max because once you put this crochet wig on, it will stretch and the spacing will be seen on the scalp. So we'll have to fill it in with hair. So make sure you guys stretch the cap and pin it down before so that we make sure it's all full and there's no gaps. Like I said, we'll do a crochet wig today. I'm using the free tress. It's OT27, the color, in the one curl. You guys seen it in the beginning. It is the fluffy one curl. They have ringlet. Make sure you get fluffy if you want this style in particular. I love that this hair starts off black and then it goes into the 27 color. It makes it look a lot more natural. My mom loves this color. She loves more of the blondish color. I'm more of the natural and reddish, you know. So just for Mother's Day, I decided to go ahead and do something that she would like. I remember her complimenting my wig before, and she's always wanted me to make her one. So we're going to start out with this crochet needle. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. All these supplies that you saw in the beginning, you can get all of those at your beauty supply store. I am using, this is some matte lipstick. I'm just using this to mark the front of the wig so that my mom knows where the front is when she gets ready to put it on, and also so it'll help me in directing how I want to lay the hair once I get to the front of the cap. So first we are going to separate this hair. When separating the hair at the top, make sure you guys are careful once you stick it in this hook because it will snag. You will see a lot of snagging throughout this video. This hair is synthetic, so make sure you guys are being very careful because it will tangle and snag and the wig will just look really messy, and we don't want that. But I will also show you guys a way that you can fix that problem if it gets too bad, okay? So what I do is I stick the hook through one of the holes in the cap first, and then I will hook the hair onto the hook, bring the hook through the hole, and then I will separate the hole, as you guys can see, so that I can bring the entire curl through it. Now once I get towards the front of the wig, I will not bring the whole curl within. I will actually separate that curl where it naturally separates and pull it through that way so that it'll be smaller in the front, you know, give it a little bit more volume without the bulk. You know, once you do this a couple times, you'll find your rhythm and you'll just go with it. It'll be natural. It'll be pretty quick as well if you just keep on doing it what you're doing. sliding your hand through, hooking. It really is just repetitive, and I'm not gonna bore you guys with it and bore you guys with me talking, because half the time I don't even know what to say. So I'm just gonna let you guys keep watching, and I'll be back. Okay. I lied. I had to come back and tell you guys that, as you guys can see, I'm placing the hair pretty far apart. I'm spacing it out pretty far, maybe 2 or 3 fingers in the back. You don't want a lot of hair when you start out in the back, because it will be super bulky. You will be cutting hair. It'll be too big. It'll look like a wig. No, don't do it. Okay, make sure you guys space it out in the back, please. Alright, you guys, so I am back. I have a little less than half of the head done. I just want to show you guys how the curls will look. The hardest part about this wig, I believe, is just making sure that both sides of the head are even and not lopsided. So make sure you guys do that, and I will be doing the front of the head and spacing it as I told you guys before, and I'll come back once I get to that. So I just want to come in real quick and show you guys what I meant when I said that once we get to the top of the head, we're going to actually start spacing the hair closer together so that we can build the volume that we need. I put like 2 or 3 fingers in the back when I space them out. In the front, I'm just going in basically and filling in the holes. If you just go in and fill the holes in, make the knots closer together, and make sure that the wig stand is sitting the correct way. Mine is kind of leaning. You want the wig stand to sit upright, because the hair falls the way it wants to fall, and depending on the way it falls is how you need to put the hair in. So make sure you guys have that wig stand sitting up correctly so that you know which way all this hair is falling. See, as you can see, I'm trying to fluff it out, see where everything is laying before I go back in and put in more hair. It's coming together. Ooh, my mom gonna be fine. So I know you guys see the clothing change. It is actually the next day. I didn't finish this wig because I actually started this wig late and I needed some more hair. I only bought 5 bags of hair and I really needed 6.5 bags. So I had to wait until the hair store opened the next day and go up there. So that's what you guys are looking at. So make sure you guys get about 6.5 to 7 bags just to be safe. All right, ladies, so once you finish filling in the front of the head, make sure you guys go in with the scissors. Don't get scissor happy now because you can still do some snagging once you start cutting. Don't cut the curl pattern because it also will mess up the curls at the bottom and you don't want to have to separate all the curls. I didn't separate any because the wig already is a little bit big. It's kind of fluffy. I don't know if my mom would like that much hair on her head. You know, me, big hair, a little bit of thing, okay? But it is getting a little warm and I don't know if she would like all of that hair on her head. So I'm just going in and putting a little bit more hair and I'm not going to separate the curls. And we're just gonna cut the frizz. That's really all that I was doing with the scissors, is just going in and cutting the frizz off. It looks really messy because it's synthetic hair and you don't want that on there. You can keep this wig for a long time. I've actually had my wig for probably about a year now, and every time I get to wear it, all I have to do is go in and cut some frizz. I don't have to do anything else and the wig is still good, okay?